In a previous video, I actually tried to custom this stupid thing to Android 6 or something like that, and unfortunately, as expected, I failed because for some reason, I didn't manage to root this piece of shit. So in this video, I'm actually gonna give a final chance to this Lenovo phone to actually custom it. So without any further ado, let's just hope that this time everything will work properly. And also this time around, I'm actually gonna use my laptop for this. Laptop incoming! Alright, let's just open the lid, and I guess it's time to turn it on and find the forum page of the XDA with the custom Lenovo A1000 thing. Yeah, hopefully it's actually there. Well, now that the laptop is on, perhaps now it's finally time to just go to Google Chrome, and I guess we're gonna have to search for Lenovo A1000 custom XDA because that's where we have to go. We are obviously gonna go to this page. Oh, there you go. Lineage OS 13.0 for Lenovo A1000, and if I'm not wrong, that should be Android 6, I think. And okay, now let's see the installation thing. So we have to get TWRP, we have to root the phone. Now here's the issue. This piece of shit, yeah, you heard that right. This piece of shit, for some reason, my unit just refuses to be rooted. So perhaps I'm gonna have to find some workaround there, because yeah, this phone for some reason just refuses to be rooted, which it's really preventing me from doing this. But regardless, I'm still gonna go ahead and download this thing because they're actually gonna need TWRP for this thing. So perhaps it's actually time to just download that thing. Yeah, so if I'm doing some Google searches, I mean, I don't really find much. I do have something here, and people are saying something about Kingroot, which did fail for some reason. Okay, if that actually works, that might be genius. I mean, I do have one more thing in here as well. I'm also gonna check this page out because maybe I do need it. And actually, I kind of forgot to turn this phone on. Let's see if it still has any charging stuff. I actually charged it yesterday, so never mind. I was pressing the volume button. I'm so stupid. There we go, mate, it's actually turning on. Alright, I guess I'm just gonna wait for this thing to boot up. Hopefully we are actually gonna get a workaround to actually root the damn thing. Well, it seems like we are on actually Android 5.1. I have no idea if that's gonna be an issue for us or not. But yeah, I do know that this one actually has Android 5.0, but I didn't know it had Android 5.1. Regardless, I do still hope that I can actually root the damn thing. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is very simple. I'm just gonna go on Google and search for TWRP for Android 5.1 APK because we do need something like that. No root. Well, I will need a root, but okay, I guess. Older versions, and I kinda need something for 5.0. That's if I'm gonna find something like that. However, we do have the most recent version, which apparently was released 3 years ago. I have no idea if that's gonna do anything, but perhaps it's still worth a shot, so I guess I'm just gonna try to download this one. Even though it might not work, I'm still gonna try to download it, and hopefully we can just ADB sideload the thing into the phone and hopefully actually root the thing, you know. Alright, cable to the rescue. Well, now we just need the latest ADB launcher. I'm just gonna have now to plug my phone into the laptop, as you guys usually know. I'm just gonna plug the damn thing into somewhere here. There you go. ADB devices. Let's hope there is gonna be some detection in there. It is. Okay, always allow from the computer. There you go. I'm gonna try ADB devices again. Now it should say that it's authorized. There you go. And now what I'm gonna try to do, and I kinda have to approach my laptop for this one. Now what we have to do is, well, ADB install, and I'm just gonna have to drag this official TWRP thing into here. Now I'm just gonna have to press enter. We're gonna have to wait for that thing to sideload into the phone.
67 hours later.
Oh yeah, there you go, we got the success. Alright, and we also have the app in here, which is really awesome. Alright, now I'm just gonna unplug the phone. We are gonna go into here, and hopefully we can do something from here. Alright, I'm gonna agree with that. TWRP flash, backup existing recovery. The issue is that I have to root the phone, and how can I even root it, man? Well, that was just useless. I guess it's time to just try another TWRP app because this one was clearly shit. I guess we're gonna have to move on. Well, from what searches I've done and stuff, apparently I have to get this thing into Fastboot, so that's definitely gonna be a very interesting process, because what I'm gonna have to do now, which is a bit risky if you're asking me, I'm gonna have to do an ADB reboot Fastboot. I have no idea if that's gonna do anything good or anything bad, but yeah, we do need to get this thing into Fastboot. I guess it's time to see what's gonna happen. Okay, the phone vibrated once, it's vibrating multiple times, that's a bit strange. Okay, let's do Fastboot devices, and it shows nothing. Oh, never mind, the phone just booted it back into its system. God damn it. Alright, let's just do ADB reboot bootloader then. Let's just hope that this time it will work. And this time we are actually into Fastboot mode. Let's freaking go, mate. Alright, so now if we do Fastboot devices, is it gonna show up here? It's not showing up. Perhaps I think I should go to device manager and see what's going on. I see something Fastboot gadget. Okay, well, I guess I do need the Fastboot driver. Okay, I do hope this is where I have to go. I actually think that's where I have to go. Alright, I do hope this is what I'm gonna have to download. I guess I'm just gonna go into here. I'm gonna do download, and let's hope that this is actually gonna fix our issues. Alright, so now I'm gonna have to extract this thing on desktop. We are gonna close this stupid window. Alright, we are gonna have to go to here, and I guess I'm gonna have to go to here. Hopefully. And now it's doing something. Okay, sure. Is that it? Can I even install them though? Oh, I can actually install them. Alright, install, and perhaps install, I think. And perhaps install this too. I hope I'm doing the right thing. I genuinely have no idea. And I think that should be it, really. I think that's... And perhaps I think I'm also gonna install this one just to be sure. Alright, okay. So now let's see if this thing is now detected again. Oh, there we go, mate. The phone is finally detected. Alright. Well, that's very good because that means we can actually proceed further. Alright, I'm just gonna go back now. Lenovo A1000 smartphone, Android 5.1. Give me the Fastboot commands tutorial, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, no, I've already done that. I don't care. I've already done this. Okay, I already done that. Alright. So apparently what we have to try is Fastboot OM unlock. Is that gonna work though? Yeah, so I think we might be stuck here, I'm not really sure. Alright, we're gonna do a second try. Once again, we're just gonna write in here Fastboot devices and Fastboot flashing unlock. And we might be getting stuck again, because literally this piece of just refuses to be unlocked. I mean, yeah, it's great and all that we can actually see it here being recognized. At the same time, if this thing is recognized in there, but this command just doesn't work, then really, what's the point, am I right? Okay, I'm actually gonna try one more command. So yeah, this time I actually wanna do fastboot get var all, and we really don't see anything. Wait, what if I do... Okay, so yeah, we really can't see anything in here. Well, that's really fun. The thing is detected, so I really don't know what I can really try. Oh, so it's apparently allowing it without having to unlock the thing. Okay. Yeah, well, Kingo Root no longer works, mate, because that thing is just outdated as shit. Well, I'm back, and this time we have some new things to do. So I got the research download tool, and now I got a new guide made by Google Gemini. Hopefully that's actually not gonna break out my phone. And apparently right now what I'm supposed to do is I'm gonna have to run this thing as administrator, which I actually forgot to do because I'm very stupid. We're just gonna go to run as administrator. Alright, there we go. And apparently what we are supposed to do is we have to click on the load packet button, which I'm assuming it's this one. So I'm just gonna go onto here. We are once again gonna go to desktop, which is very complicated to do on stupid Windows 7. I'm just gonna select this thing like that. Alright, now it's loading the packet file. Well, that's fun. Alright, seems to be ready, and now let's see the next steps. So I did open that thing. Alright, so now I'm gonna have to click on the settings button, which is the double gear icon. Alright, I'm gonna go on it, and now let's look at the rest of the tutorial. So standard primary configuration, blah blah blah. Then I'm gonna have to check every single partition except for the following three specific blocks, which is FDL1, leave checked, and okay. So apparently I'm gonna have, well, uncheck everything except for those that I got mentioned. Okay, and the recovery unchecked. Okay, I mean the recovery checked, not unchecked. Oh boy, I quite have many things to uncheck. Alright, so now we just have to leave FDL1, FDL2, and recovery checked. Alright, okay, now what else? Oh, so I have to double click on this thing, and I'm gonna have to go to TWRP, and click OK at the settings of... Okay, so now I'm gonna have to click OK, Alright, I've done that, so hopefully that's good. And apparently what I'm gonna have to do now is click the start downloading button. I have to press on start downloading. Okay, and now I'm gonna have to power off my phone completely. Alright, well, I guess it's time to do that. I'm gonna go to power off. I'm genuinely hoping I'm not gonna break up this thing. That's literally the last thing I wanna do. And now I'm gonna have to pull out the battery as well. Okay, well, where is the freaking cap? Oh, it's right here. Okay, let's just remove the cover. We're gonna have to remove the battery for 5 seconds. Alright, that's 5 seconds. Okay, I'm just gonna have to put the battery back in now. Alright. Press and hold the volume down button firmly on your phone while continue to hold it, plug the USB wire, blah blah, and it's gonna display a moving color. You can release the volume down button. Okay, well, that's gonna be a bit scary, but let's hope everything will go with success. I'm gonna have to hold the volume down button while I'm gonna plug this thing into my phone. Is there something gonna happen? Oh! Okay.
Bruh.
Oh, what do you mean user cancelled? Status unplugged? It's not unplugged! The phone is literally plugged. What do you mean, mate? Okay, I'm gonna try one more time. We are not gonna give up. Holy shit, mate. I'm literally not unplugging the phone. I'm literally not unplugging it. That's not okay, mate. I'm literally not unplugging the phone. What's wrong with this piece of shit? Okay, it's literally going on this stupid screen. I'm literally not releasing the button, mate. What's wrong with this piece of shit? And now it's okay, so it literally keeps failing. I really wonder why. Yeah, I might as well just copy the error, which is PS3262. Oh my god, dude, that's a pain in the ass, I swear to god. It literally keeps saying it's in progress, but it keeps failing. So, you know, I might as well just unplug the phone because nothing's really going on. Okay, so I guess I need another version of this. R19 or R24. Mate, I literally have R27. I literally have like the most new thing, so what? As a conclusion, I just wasted my time today. I really thought I was actually going to be able to get Android 6 on this thing. I really didn't want to give up, really. I really thought it was actually possible to get Android 6 on this thing and, you know, just custom it, check things out and all of that, but this piece of is just cursed, really. This one is just cursed, like I really can't do anything about it. So as a conclusion, I do hope you guys still enjoyed this video, even though it was a big fail. And I guess shout out to all my YouTube members. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and also for joining my YouTube channel. And if you guys wanna get a shout out at the end of the video, and also if you guys wanna have a bash tag name, access to custom emojis, and also access to my behind the scenes videos / non-edited videos, and also if you guys want to have a custom role in my Discord server and also a custom channel where you guys can chat and stuff, just become a YouTube member, click the description, also on the join button as well. And that's pretty much the video. It's a very huge fail once again. I have no idea if I'm actually gonna post this video on YouTube for everyone. I might actually make this video just for YouTube members because, yeah, unfortunately it was just a huge fail. I failed for the second freaking time. I really thought I was actually going to unlock the bootloader or root the phone and somehow get TWRP and then the Lineage OS custom, but of course I failed all of that. I couldn't even unlock the bootloader or do the damn thing. I literally couldn't do that or even get a custom recovery at least. So yeah, I'm just giving up, unfortunately, even though I've done many impossible things like customing a North Korean phone and unlocking the LGG5 bootloader. Even though I've done all of that, sometimes some things are still impossible to do, so perhaps I'm just gonna give up, unfortunately. I do hope you guys still enjoyed this video. I'm gonna see you guys next time, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.